lento yobukhansela ne-ANC iyasetyenzelwa. It's not for free. Action plan we have adopted, we presented in Johannesburg. And President gave you the marching orders. Na debate ukuthi President u endorse i-DA. Na debate ukuthi uGwede uthi anina capacity ningodololo. Manje, comrades, we are not going to explain statements. Kukho abantu who blew that talk of the president among us here out of proportion. Because they want to sustain this thing that uRamaphosa, hey uRamaphosa, umntu wabelungu. uRamaphosa inkokeli eqotho ye-ANC. Siyazela emzabalazweni. Abantu abamonyulayo bamlanda estratweni ezenzela ibusiness. Azange ancenge ukuzoba inkokeli. Namlanda lapha eBloemfontein. Thina nasishaya sashiya izicathulo lapha. Namenza upresident, udeputy president. Leyo angeke ngiyikhohlwe ngoba kwashaywa mina lapha. Ene ngiyayazi ukuthi uRamaphosa azange ancenge ukuba inkokheli. He was nice having a job yoba i-NEC member emnandi kabi. Namlanda wa betrayed by the same people abamlandile. Bona laba bantu bamlandile, abanye babo wababuza uRamaphosa makabe emnyule eBloemfontein wathi maningenza i-deputy, what happens? Bathi uyanyuka up. What up? Wayibamba uMatamela kuthiwa ndiyanyuka mos. Wanyuka nyani. Wanyuka. Kanti laba bantu bathanyuke bayamkhohliswa banabantu baba babafaka epoketeni. Ithema bafuna uba unleasha yabahlula lonto. Upresident has served 2 terms, uyaqedela kule term. Angiyazi noba nizomfuna kuyelandelayo, but akhonto emnqandelayo. Masiyekele kweloso sikhathi masizayo. Ningalwi nomuntu. Ngathi ngikhuluma ngobaba uMtsipe kwathi ndilwa naye. Angilwi naye futhi if ngikhulume kabi ngiyahoxa. Ngoba ngalwiswa kakubi ngabantu bakaMtsipe. Wena SG yeke lento yokulwa noMtsipe. Angilwi noMtsipe, bengikhuluma i-decision ye-NEC eyokuthi masiyeke ukuxoxa lento yobuholi ngoba sisenkingeni. Masilwe siwina ama-election sizoyixoxa masibuya lapha. Kukho abantu abayithandayo ke lento. Ngithi nami mangibayeke ngoba mangibakhalima ngisho izinto esivumelene ngazo kuthiwa uMbalula usislower down, yena uyaqhubeka. Uyabona mangimelana namhlanje nimane nisithi hayine pula yaMbalula kuthi sinitshelile nanso. uMandla kazulala la. Mandla niyenzani eMpumalanga? Why uMbalula ehlala ejika lapho? Sekufuneka bakhohliwe ukuthi ndingunobhala and ngizobuya na next week Mandla ungawari. Ngiyeza. Ya ungibize nasenkangala ngikafiki ispeed. Ngicela ukufika enkangala. Brajo ngiyeza. Andiyo minister mna ndiyo deputy minister ndingu SG ndi full time. So naphakade vekini maningifuna ngiyekhona ama comrades. If abantu lonto ayibajabulisi ayibalalisi, shame kuseza ubanzima. Ayazange ndinyulela ulala eJoburg. I must be with the structures. Ene ayingidakwi lento abantu mabathi kum Mbalula siyakucabanga ingathi ungaba upresident. Hayi, that thing doesn't make me drunk. Ngiye ngikujonge nje ukuthi userious na. Ene ngukukhalimele futhi makancane. Isikhathi sezo zinto siyeza. Suzongidakiswa la ngiphethe umcimbi oshushu. woba ngu-SG ungifakele ezinye ideas. If I can lose focus on this job, izocollapse le nto yenu. Because ngizohamba ngigijima la ngifuna uba umholi. Ngingasebenzeli i-ANC, ndingathathi izinqumo. Makufuneka ngifike la ngithatha izinqumo eMpumalanga ngiyacabanga 2 times ukuthi hey ingaba bazonginyula na. Kanti funeka ndisithathe isinqumo ngicibele ndithi disband. Masiyeni phambili. So comrades, ezi zinto funeka sizi understand ukuthi isimo esikuso sikuphi na. Decisions must be taken. You are not going to convince South Africans, and don't punish people. Ngoba sonke siyathanda ukuba ngoceba. Akho nto elwelwayo akuka-ANC ukudlula uba uceba, ukudlula uba ukhansela. Abantu bayayithanda la post. Yo ba ukhansela. Yo umuntu angakubulala. Ne-political task team le ivuliwe kaMkhwanazi. Iyavulwa ngoba oceba bayanqumulwa nje. Ma ukhansela uyabulawa. Angisayibona leyo bu MEC hayi. Uceba bakuqeda manje. Mababona ukuthi uyidanger bathi lo uzongiphazamisa. Makasuke endleleni. Comrades, sizonichuchisa but kahle. Emsebenzini sine program niye Goli sanibiza nayi adopter, let it be implemented. Action plan is not action plan ngegama nje. It's a program of the ANC. NgoNovember sizoyitsala leya report izositshela ukuthi province by province who is number 1 in implementing the action plan and which is the best performing municipalities in the country of the African National Congress. Must compete ngalokho ukuthi my municipality mina siyakhokhela. You've got the support of the ANC. You know, to be a councillor is a thankless job. You are in the cold face of delivery. So there's no way you can be a councillor and you lack activity. There's no way. Because you've got permanent activity there. So, because the demands of the people are there daily. So as a councillor of the people, you can't miss in action. Comrades, this program of the action plan is very important. In this general council, it must be distributed. Comrades, the key challenges we are facing is things you know. Inequality, unemployment, I've spoken about. Corruption, I've spoken about that. ANC dropped approximately to 40%. We know that there are challenges based on counter-revolutionaries who present themselves as more radical when their record speaks to the fact that they are nothing like that. We have identified 4 strategic pillars of renewal. Bold economic reconstruction plan, infrastructure, industrialization and localization. We also convened a special NEC where we spoke about economy. 10-point plan, you've got it. In this General Council, I think is going to be presented. Employment focused on macro policy. It's very important. Education and skills revolution. Public sector reform and crime fighting. The second point is nation building. Community development forums and mass campaigns are key. Any living organism is seen by activity of engaging with the people. 3 is renewal of the ANC. Eradicate factionalism and patronage. Enforce discipline and performance and accountability. Discipline in any party as big as ours is important. Xa kungekho discipline in the party, we'll never have an organization. An NEC member standing up in public and saying things not consistent with the NEC. NEC must be the first to lead. In the ANC, you defend decisions that you don't even like. We have to defend in the ANC. That goes as well in the provinces. Democratic centralism. Mpumalanga is not a federation, does not exist on its own. You are led from the center. The center holds. Ngibona omnye comrade Twitter ebusuku. Labantu ba Twitter bephuzile ebusuku. Abe ANC. Ati the center doesn't hold. Dabona ukuthi ingenile whiskey or whatever ayiphuzayo ihambe emadolweni ngoku. Mna utywala ndabuyeka comrade. Iva uthi out. Yewe ndabuphumela. Ndabuyeka utywala because utywala bungakulimaza. Angisho nibuyeke but niphuze nibuya. Ngoba niyabudinga utywala but not kakhulu. Don't drown. A revolutionary doesn't drown in the alcohol. Mawuye embodleleni, mawuye tavern, mawuya night club, funeka ungene uphume ngolanyango ungene ngawo. Ungaphumi so abantu mababuza ubani lo bathi ngulowe ANC. Inkokheli funeka ihambe ifake izbags mayingene etshwaleni phakathi kwabantu iphume imnandi. Ibalalelisa ukuthi bye bye. Uyabona abantu bathi hey labantu beANC ba organized. Ungaphumi pha ubulawa butshwala and so on usihlaza phakathi kwabantu. Abantu bekwazi ukuthi inkokheli udakiwe. You can't be like that leading the people. People are looking at leadership from us. And we must be proper. So comrades, discipline is important. Democratic centralism, discipline is important. It's not dictatorship. When comrades do things ezingekho emthethweni fanele zilandelwe. Yabona ngayo addressa inkomfa pha ye Youth League. General Council ngafika abantu becula ingoma ezingacacanga pha. Kuthi baphuma eMpumalanga. Abe Youth League. Ngabona uchairman la Emile uyambona mos Emile lapha So sathumela uGwede Mantashe ukuthi makakhulume nawo. Ngoba sizobachuchisa. Angeke ubize unobhala mawufika lapha nokukhigcuntswana labantu. Who are not happy ukuthi bashayiwe enkomfeni enhlanzeni akukude enhlanzeni. Nase Northern Cape uyayibona leza mile Northern Cape enhlanzeni. Abanye abantu bayabuza virus enhlanzeni. So abantu beANC bacabanga ukuthi what did the SG do in Nhlanzeni? What did you do in Nhlanzeni? Abayazi abantu beNkulunkulu hey. Babona nje abantu bathukuthele ukuthi the problem is in Nhlanzeni. Abantu bashayiwe la enkomfeni enhlanzeni. Inkomfa yeANC yahlala kamnandi nje yaphela enhlanzeni yaphela. Manje mina bekufuneka ngifike enhlanzeni ngivala inkomfa. Ngiyivala kanjani inkomfa? Dingunobhala weANC. Jikelele. Difike divale iconference mina. Diwathatha pha amandla ngaka. Lama branches ongimachela lapha eLuthuli House land uyenzayo. Ayilunganga. kuthiwa SG why waculela ingoma ezingacacanga kuthiwa yilaa nkomfa uhambe uvala amabranch wena. But lama comrade amancane, but i-discipline bathi igotshwa isencane. Angeke sivume kwenziwe into ezirongo egameni le-Youth League and all of that. Ngayikhalima laphana ibingeyonto enkulu, bayithatha bayenza into enkulu. Ama-comrade athi hey ngongakhulumanga ngale nto, ndithi ndikhulume ngabomu because ngiyasibona isigezo, and isigezo akufunekanga sisifihle, funeka sisiveze sidile ngaso. Yeah, singathi masifika la ku-PGC kugeza abantu abayi-2 bathi le nto ibingekho nkulu ibingabantu abayi-2, labantu abayi-2 abagezayo mabangene ku-DC, because abantu bafika lapha bechitha inkomfa ye-ANC eNazareth upresident ekhuluma bacula. It's acceptable, that thing in the organization. Discipline, comrades, is important in the organization, and we must deal with that.